Hi, we're here again at Discount Water Softeners with a quick tutorial on how to check a Genesis water softener control valve for brine draw. Now, in another video, we talked about how to check the brine tank to see if there's an issue with brine draw, but now we're gonna address brine draw from the control valve. Now, if there's lack of draw from the brine tank into the control valve and down into the resin bed, we're not going to get softened water. So if we've assured that we have good connection with our brine tank and there's no issue with the float assembly and you still don't have draw, we need to look at two possible scenarios. One, is there a plugged injector? Or two, is there some restriction on the drain from the system? Now, the first one is the more common possible scenario. If you put your water softener in bypass, and all of our softeners come with a bypass. On the Genesis, it's a simple turn of the large round handle behind the control valve. Once you do that, you're able to remove these two screws on the left-hand side of the control valve. Normally, it's going to sit like this, and on the left-hand side, you'll find these two screws on the injector cover. Once you've put it in bypass, you can safely remove these two screws. There will be some water that initially squirts out, but it's not much. You unscrew these two screws, and under that cap, you're gonna find an injector that's color-coded. So depending on what size you have, will be a different color. It might be white, it might be blue, it might be yellow. But once you undo that cap, that injector has a slot for a screwdriver. Now, it is a plastic injector, so you wanna be careful not to damage it. And you can simply unscrew it. It comes to a point, and that point has a very small orifice in it. That orifice, if it is plugged or there's iron in there because you're on a private well or a piece of resin or even debris from your water gets into that injector, it's going to plug it and prevent the system from creating draw through this upper 3/8 inch tube and draw brine from your brine tank. So you want to clean that out. Just use a stiff bristle brush, blow through it, and then put it back in carefully, put the cap back on, screw it back down. You'll open up your bypass again, and then you can start a manual regeneration. Now, if you still don't get brine draw and your drain hose or your drain line has some type of blockage, whether it be up in the head from some debris that got in there, and there is a flow control in here that can be checked very easily. You simply remove this bottom hand-tightened nut and remove the hose barb, and on the underside of the hose barb, there'll be a flow control. If some debris gets in there, it's going to plug that drain and create an imbalance in the injector inside of the control valve, and you won't get brine draw. The other thing would be a kinked drain line. So something where a 90-degree got bent too far, or there's something on top of the hose, or if this drain hose goes up across the ceiling 50 feet and then down 10 feet and then another 10. If it's really long runs up and above, that can create a problem. Short runs above are fine, but long runs or really high runs, 10, 15, 20 feet, that can cause an imbalance on the injectors and you won't get brine draw. Take a look at this video. Make sure you have brine draw. That'll ensure you have soft water. If you don't, after you've checked all these things, give us a call or send us an email to support@discountwatersofteners.com, and we'll be happy to help.